The Internet of Things has already transformed the present, but its true potential lies in the future. A future where everything is connected, not just devices, but systems, cities, and entire industries. In this lecture, you will learn the future direction of IoT, emerging trends shaping IoT, opportunities and challenges ahead, the impact of IoT on society and professions. IoT is evolving rapidly and becoming more intelligent and integrated. In the future, IoT systems will be more autonomous, more intelligent, more secure, and more scalable. IoT will move from simple connectivity to intelligent, self-operating ecosystems. Emerging trends in IoT. 1. AI and IoT integration, AIoT. The combination of artificial intelligence and IoT is creating smarter systems. AI analyzes IoT data to enable intelligent decisions. Example: smart healthcare systems predict diseases using sensor data. 2. Edge computing. Data processing is moving closer to the source of data. Instead of sending all data to the cloud, devices process data locally. Benefits: faster response time, reduced latency, improved efficiency. 3. 5G connectivity. Next-generation networks will enhance IoT performance. Features: high speed, low latency, and massive connectivity. Supports large-scale IoT systems such as smart cities. 4. Smart cities expansion. Cities are becoming more intelligent through IoT integration. Applications include smart transportation, energy management, public safety. 5. Industrial IoT growth. Industries are adopting IoT for automation and efficiency. Examples: smart factories, predictive maintenance, automated production systems. 6. Wearable technology. IoT devices are becoming more personal and wearable. Examples: smartwatches, fitness trackers, health monitoring devices. 7. Enhanced security solutions. Security is becoming a major focus in IoT development. Future systems will include advanced encryption, secure communication protocols, AI-based threat detection. 8. Digital twins. A digital twin is a virtual model of a physical system. IoT provides real-time data to update the digital model. Example: a virtual model of a factory used to simulate and optimize operations. Opportunities of IoT. IoT creates new opportunities across industries. Innovation in products and services, improved efficiency, new business models, and enhanced quality of life. Challenges ahead. Despite its growth, IoT faces challenges: security and privacy risks, high implementation cost, data management complexity, lack of standardization. Impact on professions. IoT will reshape the future of work. Professionals will need to work with connected systems, understand data-driven technologies, adapt to automation. Examples across fields: healthcare, remote monitoring and smart diagnostics. Engineering, smart infrastructure and automation. Business, data-driven decision-making. Agriculture, precision farming. Skills for the IoT future. To succeed in an IoT-driven world, you should develop technical literacy, data analysis skills, problem-solving ability, and adaptability. The future of IoT is not just about connecting devices. It is about creating intelligent ecosystems that improve human life. Final conclusion of Chapter 4. In this chapter, we have explored introduction to IoT, characteristics, advantages and challenges, IoT architecture and layers, communication technologies and protocols, applications and case studies, and future trends and developments. The Internet of Things is transforming the world, connecting devices, systems, and people. In the future, everything that can be connected will be connected. Thank you for completing Chapter 4. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.